Hi there, welcome to Nepi Invest. Core Lithium share price down 21% on the 22nd of December 2023 as a result of an announcement that the company will be undergoing a strategic review of their operations. Now, this particular strategic review is understandable, but this is also a sign that a bottom in lithium prices is soon or could be soon upon us. I've seen this time and time again in the mining industry. When a commodity goes down in price, you start to see some of the companies mining that commodity start to do strategic reviews. Some of the companies put their mines into care and maintenance because it just costs too much to get the commodity out of the ground compared to what they're selling it for. So there is, and some companies get completely bought out. Some companies fail, and this should be a good thing for the lithium market. There's just way too many lithium companies on the ASX and more likely on other exchanges around the world. So this could be a good thing in the long run for lithium companies on the ASX. And I will be doing some research soon on different lithium companies. And the main thing I'm looking for or looking at, focusing on, is how much they have to pay to get the lithium out of the ground. And I'll be focusing on the lower cost producers. And the very fact that Core Lithium has released this strategic review is making me think this is one of the higher cost producers of lithium on the ASX. Now, I did hear something concerning the other day in regards to Pilbara Minerals. Now, I don't absolutely believe everything I hear. I will question what I heard, but this person said that at current lithium prices, Pilbara is not profitable. Now, that's astounding because I thought Pilbara Minerals was one of the lower lithium cost producers on the ASX. I could be wrong because I'm not a big lithium person. Anyway, so let's have a look at this particular announcement from Core Lithium and why the market punished this company. So the company is undergoing a strategic review of operations to address the deterioration in lithium market conditions. In fact, they've mentioned here that the price of spodumene concentrate has declined by more than 80% in 2023 and 40% since the end of October of this year. Then they go through, they do waffle on a fair bit in this announcement, talking about how well they are producing concentrates. They've been producing concentrates for 10 years. They have seen improvement in mine productivity, etc., etc. Talking about the wet season. So they're just moving into the wet season right now because this mine is in Finniss River area. So that's just south of Darwin. And that part of the world can get very wet over the next few months. And the last thing they do mention here, while we are experiencing market volatility today, our focus is on the continued safe and efficient operation of the Finniss project. Always get a little bit wary whenever you see a financial announcement from a mining company and straight away they go to the safety record of the year. No one died, no one is injured in our mines this year. Isn't that great? And then they move on to the financial performance of the company. And typically, if they start off with the safety and the second thing they talk about is a financial performance, and typically the financial performance is not that good. And it's just interesting they did mention continued safe operations. So let's have a look at the chart. So understandably, the share price has been under pressure significantly over the past few years. In fact, the share price has dropped from almost $2 all the way down to 26 cents. Now, the share price could fall further from here, even. In fact, when I did look at Pilbara and even Alchem, I was surprised the share price has not fallen all that much. And those companies are still beloved by a lot of investors on the ASX just because they are lithium producers. Anyway, so fair bit of volatility in Core Lithium. We've seen that volatility play out over the past few months. Share price went from about 40 cents down to just above 20 cents, then rebounded back up to 36 cents, now down again to 26 cents. And I think continued volatility over the next few months is going to remain, particularly when the results of this strategic review are known. And one of the reasons why share price has dropped 21% on the back of the announcement of this strategic review is because the market doesn't like uncertainty. The market doesn't like risk because there could be some bad things coming out of this strategic review. Probably the worst case scenario is they put the mine into care and maintenance. I'm not saying that's going to happen, but that is definitely one scenario that could come out of this strategic review. So let's That's all I'm going to talk about when it comes to Core Lithium. If you have any questions, if you're a shareholder of this company, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What are your thoughts on this strategic review? Do you think this is going to become a good thing for the company? They'll lower their costs, that sort of thing, more streamlined operations. That's also a possibility. Who knows? But the reason why, again, the share price dropped 21% is because of that uncertainty. The market doesn't like uncertainty. So leave any thoughts in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I'm not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for the video. Have a good day. Bye.